A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, something special. We have a Mini GT in a very special Liberty Walk deco. As you can see, this is a Nissan GT-R, to be precise it's the LB-Sihouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR in purple metallic, and this is something special, as I already mentioned, because this one here is limited. As you can see, only 5,000 of these were made, and so the special thing, or why I am very happy right now, is I didn't think that I would have the chance to get my hands on one of these for a fair price, to be honest, because when I wanted to pre-order one of these, it wasn't possible. So many people did pre-order this car that, yeah, it wasn't possible to pre-order it, and I thought, okay, that's it. I mean, for sure you can buy this stuff on eBay or somewhere, but you have to pay a lot of money for them. But then one night, once again, I was browsing the site of the online shop where I'm buying from, and suddenly they had this guy, and I ordered it. I think it cost me 18 or 19 euros, which I think is a very good price for this version. So if you are not familiar with the Mini GT, this is also a special packaging. This here is what the normal packaging of Mini GT cars does look like. And as you can see in the background, I already do have some other GTRs from Mini GT, but now I would say the time has come that I am grabbing my knife. And quick look at the packaging first. As always, here on the back, some licensing stuff. This is the number 245. So I'm really excited, to be honest. Oops, sorry for that. I'm trying not to damage the packaging of this thing. Okay. Ta-da. Okay. This does look very good. Let's put the packaging in the background. You know, when you are getting a model like this one, normally you pray that it doesn't have any quality issues. Normally Mini GT does have a very, very good quality control. And this one, I think it does look really, really good. Look at this deco. Man, this is just fantastic. So, if you are not familiar with Mini GT, these cars normally have a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires, and these cars do roll. So let's check out if this beauty also is a roller. And yes, for sure it does roll very, very nice. Look at this fantastic deco, even on the roof. It says Liberty Walk. These Mini GTs normally have rubberized mirrors. Oh, these are very, very soft. Thing is, that is good because you don't have the risk that you break them and they fall off and you ruin your very nice car. Take a look at the front. Lensed headlights. A huge amount of deco with this kind of, I don't know what that is, it looks a bit like aluminium or silver foil. Very cool. Golden exhaust tips, Liberty Walk license plates and plates, a Liberty Walk license plate, sorry. So, but the wing is a little bit bent, isn't it? Oh. I mean, it's a minimal issue, but it's not perfectly straight, I would say, anyways. I think this is something that is fixable. I won't force it here on this video. I think it's not worth the risk that I'm breaking off the wing. Well, to be honest, I'm not really sure about the rims. In my opinion, these are not the most beautiful rims ever made, but all in all, I think this car here is a fantastic model, another fantastic release of Mini GT, and yeah, I am really happy that I got one. So if you're interested in, let's take a quick look at the other Mini GTs I own so far. So let's put the star in the middle. So I got this one here in red. Focus. With the big wing. To be honest, this is the only Mini GT, and I own a couple of these. This is the only Mini GT so far that has a little quality issue, as you can see here. Beneath the wing, on the window, it's like, I don't know what this is, bubbles in the plastic, or is it cracked? I don't know. Anyways, so this is the only Mini GT with a little flaw. Then I own this one here, completely in chrome, also with a very fantastic deco. This guy here has the ducktail. It's the same body kit as the red one that I showed. And then we have this pink one here. And this guy here with the John Player Special Deco, one of my favorites. So, and as you can see, these two, the pink one and the black one in John Player Special Deco, this is the same body kit as this guy here. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for sure, and maybe you want to watch another one of my videos. So that's it for today. Another really nice car that I can add to my collection. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.